Hi everyone. This is an Hi everyone. One of the advantages of screencasting is it creates the opportunities to make online learning courses. These are good for students because students can progress at their own pace, and it can differentiate for their needs because they can watch them multiple times, and the learning tools can be provided in a variety of formats, and teachers can monitor how they're progressing. So this is an example of an online course in Moodle. So they can be grouped in a book, and the advantage of using the book function in Moodle is it just keeps all the tutorials together. And you'll see here we have a range of courses, many of which use this self-paced learning. So here's an example of a book. So when the students click on it, this time this one is Scratch and Audacity, they see the list of activities and they simply move through these one at a time at their own pace. An example here is this one, an introduction to Audacity and Scratch. And basically this is the Dancing Queen one, which I think is a bit further down. So what the student would do is they could click on Dancing Queen and it would bring up a PDF. And then here are the instructions on the project that the students are to create. And they click play. They can play this at their own pace. And then they actually submit their attempt at this project here. And then the teacher can go and have a look at it and give them feedback. Here's another example. This is a more linear example in Moodle still. And what you see here is, again, we have some videos the students can look at. There's a quiz. And then here, the submission point is where the students are able to put their various stages, their various projects, as in response to those tutorials. Okay, here's another example here. And again, you can see in this book function in Moodle, you have here some explanations and instructions. You have the resource, and you can add files, PDFs, other resources there that might support this learning. And then the challenge here, the activity they do to actually implement and practice their learning. Here you can see there's a PDF which could be provided as well as the video tutorial. Now, it's been found that some students work well from the PDF, some from the videos. So then, obviously, if we provide both alternatives to several formats, then it's more likely that a far greater number of students will be able to achieve the learning objectives. Learning skills such as Photoshop and other ICT software projects is quite complex. So screencasts enable teachers to break these skills down into step-by-step projects that each build upon the others. You can see here these screencasts are generally kept quite short in that 3 to 5 minutes range. So, and the tasks are done. You can see here the teachers can view or grade all submissions, and they can mark them as well, can give the feedback that can be for assessment. And this teacher gets to see how they're progressing. They have the dates there as well. So we can see here that screencasts can be used to assist in building online courses that are student-centered and can differentiate to meet student needs.